Awesome. This is nice, huh? Because it rolls that way?
Yep. Yep.
Gotcha. Beautiful. Look at that. So you used it for a while and
Yeah,
now you
the
just
bottom's
don't.
ripping.
Yeah.
There's
It got
another
wet.
one inside of here
Okay.
that looks okay.
Okay. Well, another what? Bag?
Another bag, yeah.
Sweet. Yeah, hold on, Paul.
There's another bag.
I'll figure it
inside
out.
there.
That's
But the
nice,
thing
man.
worked great.
I like that. I'm going to use that in my shop.
That's what I did. I always woodwork in the garage.
Thank you so much. That's
But I got
goodness.
No room for it.
Oh, my
And
goodness.
a neighbor of mine up the street gave that to me 15 years ago.
Oh, my word. We'll just strap it in, Paul, right there with one of them straps. Thank you so much, sir. I really appreciate you. That's going to make a nice item in my shop. All right, so look it over there. I don't think you can reach. Won't reach. Let's just untrap it a little bit. This is awesome, man. This is going to be a... I'm getting ready to build a shop next month. I'm going to build a nice big metal shop.
Yeah.
Because I do scrap. I scrap metal, recycle. I take things apart, but this is going to be not taken apart, obviously, if it works. Put it right in my shop and put it to use. When I'm cutting on stuff, I can, you know,
I'm
vacuum.
surprised that thing was sitting for,
I'm excited.
Like I said, 10 years under my house.
I'm totally excited about it.
No, I think you can lock those wheels.
Oh, really?
See down the bottom?
Oh, yeah. It does have locks on them.
That may help out. I don't know which way it's locked.
Yeah. Well, by the time we get it tied in, it's not gonna be rolling around anyway. Yeah, we'll get it tied in nice. Huh? Yeah. Oh, you want? He unhooked it. Here, let's put it back up. When you pulled it away, he was trying to show me something.
Yeah.
And he grabbed the strap.
You hooked on the backside.
Oh. All right. Yeah, show him how to do that. Hold on, Paul. I'm not up. Here.
First you gotta get up above the rib here.
Right.
This goes underneath.
Just like that. All right. Let's make this stuff here is going to blow out. We'll move that around.
I don't know, you could have, well, I had just all kinds of stuff.
Yeah, that's great. That's great. All come in handy. Just want to make sure it doesn't blow away. Nice. Put that in the truck.
That's gonna sit in the box.
Yeah.
They're sitting in the box, he said.
Yeah. Awesomeness. That's the goodness of my shop. I'm gonna enjoy that.
Oh, you'll like it. It's like a professional grade.
I love it,
My
man.
neighbor came from California, used to do all kinds of woodwork, and
Yeah.
then he stopped.
Oh yeah. And he gave it to you.
Just take it.
That's great, dude. I love free stuff.
Yeah, me too.
I love free stuff.
Free, it's for me.
Yes, free's for me. Hey, I need to put that on my shirt. I need to put that on my shirt. It's free is for me.
Thanks a lot. Appreciate it.
That's a good one. I like that. Hey, call me. Call me. Anything. Lawnmowers, you know, bicycles,
Oh, yeah?
everything. Anything metal.
We have 13 bikes underneath the house.
Are you kidding
13.
me?
I'm not kidding.
When do you want to get rid of them?
No, well, we got grandkids coming.
You got 13?
We got 13. From 28 down to little Tracy.
Oh, my word. Well, when you get ready to get rid of anything that has metal on it, help me out.
Be big enough to take them all.
Thank you. Dang, 13 bikes. He's got more than I do almost. Man, it's gonna be nice for the shop, Paul. All right, everybody. You've seen the first part of this from my iPhone. This is the second part of it after I got my phone. Whew, this thing's got some weight to it. day, every day. He said that would do the same thing. And this works, but I'm not gonna mess with it. Whew. I feel my PAD kicking in. PAD, it's real. Anytime I walk a long distance or carry anything, whew, feel that PAD. All right, Paul, that's a good way to do it. Is that all of it?
No, ladder.
Ladder sweetness. Look at that. I've never seen one that tall. Why would you be so tall?
I don't know, dude.
I wouldn't want it up in my face. Look at that. Nice aluminum ladder. This guy here used to work at Lowe's Hardware, local Lowe's, and he knew I picked up scrap metal. Thank you! Yeah, he knew I picked up scrap metal, said, I'm gonna give Drew a call. Thank you! That's awesome. What a both lawnmowers work. See that big ball in the sky? That is springtime, baby. We just had the hour ahead thing happen, which I hate. I hate when time goes forward and backwards. Just leave it like it is all year. Some places do that. That's a nice little haul right there, Paul. And this thing's 100% aluminum. A little piece of plastic at the end I'll take off. Two working lawnmowers. That'll bring $1.
Right there.
This is a nice one.
Yeah. Oh, steel.
Hey, Jamie Lowe. Probably about 20 minutes, 15 minutes, 20 minutes most. Yeah. Yeah, I gotta take swing set far at the top. Yep, I'll do that. Yeah. Yeah. Yep. Alright, love y'all. See you in a bit. That guy's here, but his equipment ain't here yet, so he's waiting on it. Oh, that bag is solid. Yeah, sure is. Wheels. Ooh, look at the gnats.
Yeah.
Still it's springtime. Just put a few straps on it. Gnats everywhere, you see them? Ah, they're in my ears. They're in my ears. I don't understand this thing.
Yeah, right here.
You added to it.
Yeah.
Because why would you want to be, I mean, you got a pot on top, you'd be cooking right in your face. Hmm. Okay. What the heck? More yard decorations. Rusted. Just a little bit. Just a little bit, but it's still filling up my trailer. Piece at a time. I'm gonna put that backwards. Paul, you have a place for it that way. You know what I mean, buddy? Hey, we can call Mars with this thing, Paul.
Yeah.
We can call Mars with that thing. I'm calling Mars.
In Tokyo.
Huh?
In Tokyo.
Hold on, that's gonna hold you up right there.
What?
Right here. You know what them things are like.
Yeah.
Let me get upside in and lift it up.
Yeah, I got a bucket right there.
Yep, I'm gonna hold it up for you. Oh yeah, it's in. It's a beautiful thing, Paul.
Got to move it cooker.
Beautiful. Beautiful.
On there.
Huh?
Got a mud
Oh yeah. What you got?
flat.
Yes, sir. That and the wheelbarrow is all we have to do. Well, lay that wheelbarrow down so it don't catch wind, because it will like that.
Self-propel.
Huh?
Too bad it ain't self-propel.
It is.
Yeah. No.
No.
No, you got to push.
Yeah, you gotta push them. That's why he's getting rid of them.
That's what everybody's going to anymore. Self-propel.
Yeah. Yeah, you gotta push them. That was good though.
No, nice one more.
That was worth stopping and getting.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's all unhooked. Gas bottle in there. That's a beast. A beast. No. No. It's heavy. Beast.
Oh yeah.
Hook the string?
Yeah.
You have to tie it off in case somebody stole it. It's rusted. I'm not gonna be able to untie that.
Yeah. Put it back. Oh, no, this way.
You got fingernails like that.
Yeah, right.
Just in case somebody took it. Huh?
This one.
I know.
I want to hear.
Yeah. Turn around the other way probably. Take the gas bottle out maybe.
Most definitely on there.
I'm gonna stand it up. I'll lay it down. Might be too wide, Paul. Huh?
Too tall.
Yeah. You have to get up here and get it. Just close the back door. I will. Damn it.
Oh, that little metal table back there.
Okay. That one, the blue one.
Yeah.
Back seat.
That'll work. Put it in.
I don't want to break my window out. Nice. Nice for the workshop.
Yeah, no doubt.
Turn it upside down. Probably turn it the other way.
Yeah.
Uh-oh. Great. Gotta move my seat forward. Got it.
This is base for TV. I don't know.
Is it metal?
It's heavy. It must be metal.
It's metal. Oh yeah, she's metal. Good metal. Heavy metal.
Those are cameras.
These are?
Yeah.
And they work? Don't know.
They worked the last time I knew. But
Yeah.
They go there.
Okay. They're old. All right. What did we do today? Look at all this goodness, everybody. Look at that goodness. I love it when people just call me and say, hey, will you come get this stuff out of my yard? Why? I don't want it. Yeah, man. First thing. What we got here? We got, look at there. An old wore out tire on her. That's one of them no flats, but she's pretty rusted. Tin roof rusted. All right. Pile's getting smaller. I don't want to make it bigger. What I want to be doing here is unloading. I mean loading and then bringing straight to the scrapyard. I want to be able to do this maybe like once a week pickups. That'd be awesome. Pick up once a week. Go right to the scrapyard like a lot of other people do. A lot of good aluminum here. And maybe not necessarily do much micro scrapping. I see so many people that go there and they don't take anything. Uh-oh, I want to put it over there. That wood's in the way. They don't take anything off it except the cords and maybe a motor if it's easy. I'm about got to where I'm going to do that for a little while until I get my stuff straightened out over here. I don't want to have another pile bigger than I can deal with. I still got some stuff to move here. I got a truck coming in right now. Good morning. I got a truck coming in on the way right now. This aluminum ladder so they can dig. And Paul and I have a few things we got to get done. I'm not going to even unload this trailer. I got to go there and help Paul. All right. That's good for now. See if I'll poke in the ground. Nope. No such luck today. Win some, you lose some. Uh-oh, looking at my hat bill again. Daggone it. Hate that when that happens.